Good morning, everyone. It is Vlogmas day 5 already. Almost a week. Today I have school. It snowed last night. No 2-hour delay, but it is early release. 2 hours off of school, 40 minutes off of school. Rather take 2 hours, but oh well. So we should have left a little bit earlier since there is snow, but we didn't. Obviously, as you can tell, we're still at home. Oh well. So, I'm gonna go make some breakfast. I braided my hair. I thought it looked cute. Is it a bun in the back? So yeah. Making some cookies right now. The oven's preheating. My mom's watching TV.
I'm sorry, I know she's your friend. I don't think we can cavalier.
Okay. I didn't vlog at all on day 5. And I didn't vlog at all today. Hello, you guys. So, my plan is to combine both 5 and 6, which is so annoying. I know. You're supposed to vlog every single day. But I just didn't. My bad, you guys. Right now, it is 7:40. We haven't ate dinner. It's, cooling down right now. So that is why we haven't ate. We had lasagna, and it took, an hour and 50 minutes to cook. So, yeah, today I wore... Oh, I should do, outfit of the days, in the mornings. You know, that'd be cute. So I wore my school track shirt, and then I wore a pink shirt underneath here that says my last name. And then I wore some black leggings from Forever 21 because I wanted to be like everyone else. It was terrible because then it snowed. So it was freezing cold when I left the school. So I shouldn't have done that. I should just do me, you know? That was a lesson. Do not be a follower, be a leader. So the reason why I put on this outfit actually, well, yes, is to be follow everyone, but I thought this would motivate me to work out after school, but it didn't. So why aren't you vlogging with me?
Because you're vlogging on your channel.
Well, I could have vlogged
I did time lapse in math.
You did? For what?
I just did it.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go eat dinner. Sorry that I've been terrible at vlogging. I don't know why I'm doing so bad. But yeah, I'm going to combine these because I don't have any clips really. Which I was gonna go shopping today, but I almost got in an accident, so I was so shook. I was I cannot drive anymore. So, and my mom didn't want to drive, so we just didn't go. See you when I'm eating dinner. Okay, so we made this chicken lasagna stoofers. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is what it looks like fresh out of the oven. And this is the actual lasagna. Here's the inside. This is my sister's. Delicious, right? So dinner was so good. Glad I got to eat. I am blessed. Look at my Christmas tree. I never really talked about it. So we've been doing this style of decorations for 3 years. Not 100% sure. You can go to my vlog channel and check out my video because I'm pretty sure that was the first year that we did it. And yeah, I think it was 3 years. Maybe 4 years ago. Oh my gosh. But we did something different. So for the past 16 years, we've gotten a real tree. But this year, it's well, it's more cost efficient to get a fake tree. And we just couldn't find any. Because even though it's just once a year, that really adds up. And so just 2 years of getting a real tree is the cost of this tree that will last for several years, you know? So yeah, it's 12 feet. It's a 2-story one, and it goes in front of our stuff, and then we have our Christmas presents all down here. And my mom got snow, like fake. It's just cotton, but snow. Oh, these are my gifts right here, but they're like opening, and so that's no bueno. And then also my cat, he keeps on taking the bows off of them and messing around with them. I have a few gifts that I have to wrap. That might be a video that I watch. I'd be like, disclaimer, mom, family, mom, Jerry, Sierra, do not open up these presents. Do not watch this video. Come here, kitty, kitty. Come here, Xerxes. Come here. Come here. Go, no, right here. Right here. Come on. Good boy. And I am off to go do my homework. I will talk to you guys later. Sorry for this like terrible vlog, like day 5 and 6. Promise I'll be better. Like I was doing pretty good like the first 4 days. Actually, I didn't get the 4th day video up, so the first 3 days I was doing pretty good. But yeah, I'll do better. I don't know about finals week though, because I only have 3 finals, 2 hard ones, 1 easy one, but I want to make sure I do good on those. So if I like am not posting, it's just because I'm studying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below what colors is your Christmas tree, like what decorations do you have, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.